I want you to take a candy from one of my hands, my right or left hand. Okay, it's up to you. Because you take your candy and you go according to the table. Okay, so please. So today we have two different teams. It's gonna be surprise. But so in order to understand which team, which group are you, you have to choose one candy and the color of that candy will tell you which group to go. So guys, if you take yellow candy, you come here, you come to that table and you grab a red candy, you come here, okay? So how many candies you can pick? One or two?
One.
Only one. Okay. Can you eat your candy and then change your mind? No. Okay. So I really want you to take the candy and then please eat it later, not now. Okay. Thank you. 1, 2, 3. So just a sec. Come on. You decide this one. Okay. Yeah. And then don't show. Which one? Again, this one is sure. Don't show anyone. Yeah. That one. Yeah. Don't show it to anyone. Yeah. Go according to the color. Which? Are you sure?
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you. Again. Come on. This one. Okay. Just don't show. That one. Are you sure?
Yes.
And there's one thing. Thank you. So guys, open your fingers and. Yeah, and sit according to the table. Yeah. So if you're red, okay. So sit here. Yeah. Muhammad Ali. So which candy is your color?
Red.
Red one. Okay. Very good. So thank you. So guys, you are red or yellow team?
Red.
You are red team today. Thank you. And you are
Yellow.
You are yellow team. Thank you. Guys. So before actually I start my lesson, okay, could you please tell me what was your previous lesson?
Kurdish.
Okay, Kurdish language or literature? Literature. Yeah. And so what was your first lesson?
Math.
Okay. Yeah. So do you like Fridays because today is Friday?
Yeah.
Right.
The last day. It's last day.
Okay. Any plans for tomorrow?
Yes.
We are going to. We will go picnic.
You're gonna picnic? Hope so.
Yes.
Where? I hope so. The weather will be fine. Yeah. So so today we're gonna have interesting presentations, and I really want you to work in groups. We've got 2 groups together now. So make sure you see the board, and let's start again. And make sure you guys sometimes you raise your hands and you answer. Thank you. So my first question I would like to start, and I want you to discuss in a group before you shout out something. Okay?
Yes.
Yeah. So there are many ships in this world, like wooden ship, golden ship, metal ship, etc. However, the most important ship is and I wanted to discuss inside your group. Okay. So actually today we're gonna talk about this type of ship. Okay, yeah, many types of ships. Okay, wooden, golden ship, metal ship. I don't know, maybe it's Titanic, something. You've got the idea.
Yeah.
Are you sure you discussed it without the group?
Yeah.
Come on, guys, you've got some ideas. Okay,
Yeah.
but they're first. Okay, so yeah,
So the answer is relationship.
relationship. Are you sure?
Yes.
The most important.
Ship.
But we'll be talking about wooden ship, golden ship, metal ship. So what's your idea?
Wooden ship.
Wooden ship. Yeah, it's a wooden ship. But which one? Okay, let's say it's a wooden ship. Okay, thank you. So let's check it. Okay, bravo. Relationship. Yeah, thank you. Okay, so now can you think of other words ending with a ship?
Friendship.
Good. Why not? Why not? Actually, it could be also possible answer. Yeah. But today our lesson is about relationship. Okay. Now, so I'm sure you have your flip charts on the tables, and today I want you to make use of this table. Okay, of these flip charts to write your ideas. And our first assignment, guys, I want you to make sure you know what's a relationship. So could you please, in your groups, discuss the meaning of relationship. Can you talk? What can you talk about? So relationship. So, but make sure you make use of which language?
English.
English only. Thank you. Yes, discuss it because I really want to understand what's going on.
Relationship is the relationship between
Couples, like love, and between families.
between your family, your girlfriends, and
partners, attached between, etc.
Also, like, fighting
it can be bad relationship or good.
Okay. So can you come up with the idea of relationship? You just define it and write it down here. Okay, good. I really like the ideas. Yeah, I really like the ideas. I want you to deal together. Okay, yeah. So someone should write and you have to discuss it. Okay. Guys, can you actually write the definition of relationship? Yeah. So one of you should write it. Okay, come on. So I think 30 seconds is enough. Come on. So maybe give me some examples, but try to come up with the idea. Okay. Yeah. And make sure there should be a speaker, not only one student participating, because it's a group work. Okay. Yeah, maybe I can give you more time. So let's start. Shall we start, guys?
Yes.
Yeah. Now, so yellow team. Yeah. So who wants to tell? Reina. So what's actually your groups? So let's listen, please, guys. Okay. So what's your definition of relationship?
Relationship is the touch between two or more people.
Okay. So it's touch between two or more people. Good. So you think relationship is only between people?
Yes, I think.
Yes or no? Okay, good. I really like the definition. But it's touch between two or more people. Thank you. Good. So guys, anything to add to that definition? Yeah.
Yes, sure. Relationship is specific behavior between individuals. For example, as our friend said that relationship it might be only for the people, but actually relationship is also for the countries. Like they couldn't fight with each other. It's also a kind of relationship between them. Also with friends, with teachers, with business partners, relationship,
Okay.
and etc.
Okay.
People.
Thank you. So, so if you just mentioned it's a touch, it's a connection between, as you said, it may be people, or sometimes it may be not be people, it may be apart from it may be countries. Okay. I don't know. Is there a relationship between animals?
Yes.
Probably. Okay. Now, could you please think of what's actually a relationship in a school context between me and you? So, between me and you. So, who am I and who
We
are
are the
you?
teacher, we are the students, and it's the relationship between us.
Good, thank you. So, I really like it. So, today, actually, I really like it. So, now, as an example, you guess it correctly. We can give an example of me as a teacher and you as a student. It's a relationship. So, actually, now, what I want you to do, let's make use of your flip charts and let's brainstorm on different types of relationships. So, okay, it may be many, but maybe if you come across with, let's say, 10 different relationships in your groups. Okay, so guys, could you please tell me what are you going to do now? Could you please tell me what are you going to? Are you going to? You're gonna brainstorm about what?
Relationship.
About so you're gonna give me what? How many different examples? 10 different examples. Okay. Yeah. So please nominate someone in your group as a writer and others as just
Thinkers.
yes, thinkers. Good. So let's start. I will give you 2 or 3 minutes. Let's start. Okay. Yeah. So.
I think you shouldn't like capital letters because they're not going to count.
It's okay, guys. Yeah. So just think. I will brainstorm. Okay. What do to discuss? Let's discuss. So.
First
Yeah,
one
come
is
on.
couples.
Give an example. Yeah. Yep. Brainstorm. Come on.
Crash.
People, country.
Yeah, give examples. Yeah.
Couples. First one. They can remember.
So like teacher and student, okay, it can be anything which comes to mind. Yeah. Yeah, please brainstorm.
Intelligence.
Good. Mhm. Yeah, good, okay. So you've got 5 left. Make sure you just...
Business
Yeah, it's a cultural.
Maybe 1 more minute to go. Good job, good job. Yeah, good. 1 more relationship. Come on, guys.
Businessmen and industry.
Can you write about teacher and student?
Oh, I think we'll listen. But you make it similar. It's not about something. Come on. Yeah, why not? I mean, you can think of similar ones.
Is it necessary that the relationship should be in like creatures? Can it be like in reactions, chemical reactions?
I mean, it's up to you guys. I can't restrict you, okay? All your ideas are welcome. Okay, thank you. So I think yellow team, okay, you finished first. So I really want you to be able to be seen. So Adil, okay, Bible, can you actually raise it? I mean, you don't have to stand, so that you stop writing. But I'm sorry, yeah, this way. And yeah, maybe I would like to ask you, Reina, and your groupmate, to talk about this, okay, relationships. So let's look together. Yeah, I'm very sorry, guys, for opposing it, but still you can do. Yeah, Reina, can you start giving examples? Yeah.
So some examples of relationships are, for example,
But can you see it, by the way? Yeah. Mhm.
for example, parents and children, and then animals, countries, relatives, citizens, government, employer and employee, boy and girl, and single.
Mm-hmm. Okay, not bad. So could you please think some of them are actually quite similar to each other? Could you please tell me which of them can go to the same one? So let me help you guys. So maybe let's talk about guys, and I want to. So could you please tell me? Actually, I don't say whether it's correct or incorrect. All your ideas are welcome. So, but still, I think some of them can go to the same category.
Yes, siblings, relatives,
And
Parents, children.
okay, thank you. So now let's listen to your colleagues, and maybe later we can find out if you have got something in common or different. Thank you. Now, guys, it's your turn now. So, guys, so just raise it so that we can see it. Yeah. Maybe let me do it so on your behalf. And yes, could you please tell us.
First one, and this, we are not that much sure about chemical reactions, but we didn't want to write similar like examples, so we decided to write chemical reactions. It's kind of have connection with relationships, like between the elements. And I think that about friends and relatives we'll you will talk my member. Muhammed Ali.
So, Mohammed Ali, can you add something more?
The relationship about countries,
Wow.
between countries, and government and citizens.
Okay. So guys, could you please now tell me, okay, if you just have you got same ideas or not?
Yes.
If we compare. So what is our common ideas?
Citizens and government.
Same.
Yes.
Couples, relatives,
Okay.
countries also.
Good. So what? So is there anything different from these groups' ideas?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. So which ideas?
Chemical reactions.
Yeah, okay.
And
Business
And-
part.
And business partners, I really like it. And friends.
But we wrote employer and employed.
Almost the same one.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you. Good, good. So it's so good. We've got same and different ideas. I really like them. Okay, now. So now, because actually we are quite sure about the meaning of relationships, because you came across with them nice examples. Okay, thank you very much. Now, so what I really want you to do, I want to share something about, the definition of the relationship. It's not actually the one you gave me, but